Casement window installation in Austin, Texas, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of casement windows Austin options available, including energy-efficient casement windows and custom casement windows, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Casement window installation. Austin services ensure a seamless process, providing expert guidance and professional installation. Energy-efficient casement windows in Austin are designed to reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. These windows feature advanced technology that minimizes heat transfer, making them an ideal choice for the Texas climate. Austin energy-efficient casement windows are available in various styles and materials, including vinyl, wood, and aluminum, to suit any home design. Custom casement windows. Austin offers homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window design to match their unique style and preferences. With options for different materials, finishes, and hardware, custom casement windows can enhance the overall look and feel of any home. Casement window design. Austin services provide expert advice and craftsmanship to create the perfect custom solution. Casement window replacement. Austin services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Whether dealing with broken glass, damaged frames, or malfunctioning hardware, professional replacement services can restore your windows to their original condition. Casement window maintenance. Austin ensures that your windows remain in top shape, extending their lifespan and performance. Vinyl casement windows. Austin are a popular choice for their durability, low maintenance, and affordability. These windows offer excellent insulation properties, making them an energy-efficient option for homeowners. Vinyl casement windows are available in various colors and styles, providing a versatile solution for any home. Wood casement windows. Austin provide a classic and timeless look, adding warmth and elegance to any property. Known for their natural beauty and insulation properties, wood casement windows are a favorite among homeowners seeking a traditional aesthetic. With proper maintenance, wood casement windows can last for decades, offering both style and functionality. Aluminum casement windows. Austin are known for their strength and durability, making them an excellent choice for modern homes. These windows offer a sleek and contemporary look, with slim frames that maximize natural light. Aluminum casement windows are resistant to corrosion and require minimal maintenance, making them a practical option for busy homeowners. Casement window replacement. Austin services provide a hassle-free solution for upgrading your windows. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, update your home's appearance, or replace damaged windows, professional replacement services ensure a smooth transition. Casement window upgrades can significantly enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Double-glazed casement windows. Austin offers superior insulation and noise reduction, making them an ideal choice for urban environments. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a sealed airspace in between, providing excellent thermal performance. Double-glazed casement windows are available in various styles and materials, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal.